Welcome to another episode of Seek and Find TV. I am out in Boca Raton in South Florida. Got off work early and decided to come see if I can't catch some fish. All these little streams and stuff out here, you never know what you're gonna get. So, little pull off, I found this.
Ooh, ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find it. And the door will be open wide. That's a promise from my Savior's side. When the world says hope has died, I'll knock and the door swings wide.
I'll show you guys what I fish with when I don't have live shiners. So live shiners, I have line in my mouth. Live shiners are the best for peacock bass and stuff, but I don't have any live bait right now. So I'm just using a weedless hook, and I caught that one off a dark rubber like this. A watermelon is what they call it. And actually that one's not used. Let me use this watermelon. Weedless hook and a watermelon. Throw it in the weeds. I let it sit. I throw it, let it hit the ground, and then I bump, reel one time. Bump, reel one time. Just saw something jump over there. Let's go see. Guess what I caught? Old snakehead. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Supposedly, they're really good eating in Florida. So, I'm gonna go throw them in the cooler. Let's go, baby. Well, that's all I got this evening. I cast about 25, 30 more times after that. And it's getting a little dark, and I don't want to skin this fish in the dark. So, I get back to the apartment and gonna clean this thing up. Let's go. All right, back at the apartment. Brian, what's up? Word. I'm look at how beautiful this meat is. He's still kicking a little bit, but that's a big old fillet. Gonna get inside after I fillet it, clean it up, catch, clean, cook, baby. Let's go. All right, this is one fillet. You can look. So I cut the fillet in half, but that's one fillet. I'm taking the other half over to the house. Half of a lime. So, tiny bit of pepper and salt and lime. That is all. I'm gonna throw it in the skillet. I have a tiny bit of oil, and it would be better oil, but unfortunately canola oil. We're gonna fry it a little bit, and let's see what we got. I'll show you when it's done. So, oil's ready, you can hear it. Let's grab some of this fish. Oh yeah. All right, it looks about done. You don't want it to rip apart, so I'm gonna have to go at it fragilely. This is a thick piece right here. Oh, I think it's falling apart. Get these little pieces out. Look at that. All right, we're gonna try it here. Let's see. I'm gonna get a piece of the thick piece. falls apart in your mouth. Holy smokes. And that's something good. Here we go. We got some purple cabbage, some chicken sausage, and some of that fish. Thank you guys for watching another episode. This was a little different, but I figured I'd film it because I'm out here by myself. Family isn't with me. I figured I would go try and catch something. My buddy Brian said, I'll try it. I'm like, determination. Went 15-20 minutes, caught a snakehead, cleaned it, cooked it. Hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you like to see more catch, clean cooks, more quick videos like this one. Let me know in the comments. Love you guys. Thanks for watching another episode. God bless.